Welcome to 801 Laurel Hill Lane. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, custom craftsman home with a covered front porch, hardwood flooring inside, as well as a rear deck and studio workshop. It's located in the Laurel Hill neighborhood, in the Earlewood section of Columbia, near downtown. It's convenient to I-26 and I-20 as well, just a few minutes to downtown, and also convenient to Riverbanks Zoo and the Columbia Riverwalk. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice charming curb appeal from the street here. You have a 1-car wide driveway that sort of goes downhill towards the side of the house. House is on a sloped lot going back. You can see some nice unique landscaping out front here, the cactus. Then you also have a nice wide covered front porch as well, which is a common feature of Craftsman homes. You have the nice sort of detailing on the columns and nice decorative window on the front there. The front door has some frosted glass in the inside. And then as we enter inside, come in to sort of into the kitchen area, and you have hardwood flooring throughout this main area, and it steps down into the living space as well. So nice kitchen as you enter. You have a big custom island here, as you can see. A lot of custom countertops throughout the home. So this one is, the big island is part wood and part stone. I believe that's granite. And then also you have some butcher block and tile countertop over here as well. And included side-by-side refrigerator, 4-burner gas range, and dishwasher. And then you can see it's open to the dining area on this side with a ceiling fan. You have a lot of windows letting in good bit of natural light in the house. So we'll step down to the lower level, and this is where the family or living room is. So you have nice high ceilings in here, ceiling fan, nice transom window above that back door, and then some built-in shelving on the opposite side of the wall separating from the dining room. And you can just sort of get a view back towards the front door there as well in the kitchen. And then the master is off the living space down here. So as you walk in, you have a walk-in closet on the left side, which is a nice size. You have hanging space there. Also some additional space up top with some more shelving. And then you have a full bathroom, also wood flooring in here, a single vanity, and a garden tub and shower with some unique tile around the surround. Nice size master bedroom itself. Nice tall windows and ceiling height, letting a lot of natural light in back here. That bedroom faces the backyard, which we're going to take a quick look at now. It's out back. You have a nice size wood deck that is sort of looking out to an area with some trees back here. And it's sort of off the second level of the home, so you can see the backyard. Has some fencing on that side, privacy fencing, and then you sort of back up to, I believe, like a creek or stream back here. But there's some sort of flagstone kind of patio area and some paths leading, and then that building you see is a workshop, sort of an artist studio and workshop. It does have, it is powered, so it's lighted inside, and has electrical hookups as well. There's a utility sink down here in counter, and there's also some storage space beneath the house, and sort of in a walking height crawl space on that side. And then on this side, you can just see sort of the view back towards the path coming off of the driveway. And you can access the deck that way, or the ground level as well. So back inside, last but not least, are the second and third bedroom, and those share a full bath off this hall. So you have some more hardwood flooring that continues into here. You also do have a laundry closet off this space. It's a full-size washer dryer connections for side by side in there, and some shelving as well. And then you have another coat closet here, or the linen closet, some shelving, 2 bedrooms, ceiling fan in here, and the closet there. And then this bedroom, sort of facing the front of the house, has a larger closet on that side and a ceiling fan in here as well. Attic access, there may be some storage up there. Another linen closet, and I believe a coat closet on this side. And then last but not least, your final bedroom. More hardwood flooring in there, and some custom tile work on the countertop, medicine cabinet hutch against the back wall. And that's a single vanity and a shower and tub. So that completes our tour of this home, 801 Laurel Hill Lane near downtown Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.